With the use of Grammatica, we were able to find the points, the coordinates of our graph that we used in part 1, and this was the graph we obtained like the final result.
During this part, we had to find two regressions that fit better with the coordinates. So we find a polynomial that was more accurate, and here we can see the equation. And we also find the sine function that was the most accurate, and here we can see the equation.
This was the equation we found, and we chose sine because it was the most accurate, and also we established the intervals that we write 0 to 30.
We related the topic of the regression with the applications of definite integrals. So we first obtained the area with the regression equation that we had gotten, and we figured out the u, du, the box, and we solved this equation. After doing all of the procedure, what we got as an answer was 223.58 units squared.
Our conclusions are that after comparing our results with the first partial answers, we saw that the answer that was more accurate and closest to the first part was the third procedure that we made, which is the one with the 30 coordinates. And the answer of the first partial of the third section that we did was 223.5 units squared, and the answer that we got from making this new area, from finding this new area, is 223.58685
Unit squared.
units squared.
It was good to know that with the topics that we learned on the first partial, we can apply them or we can compare them to the new topics we learned on this third partial, second partial, and we saw that what we learned has something to do with the new things we learned like on the final month. And it was like a great experience to like match all the important things of the topic.
We also saw that the first partial we got the area from indefinite integrals, meaning that the answer is not so accurate, it's more like an approximation. And this third partial, these final topics that we saw, we got the area from definite integrals, meaning that the answer is more accurate and not an approximation. So we also compared that, and I liked the teamwork that I had because we work very good as a team. We help each other, and we always make time to finish this final project as a priority.
Just like my teammate said, this project was about linking two topics that we had seen throughout the semester, and I found that very
Satisfying? Like nice.
very oddly satisfying because it was fun or interesting, at least to me, to understand how two concepts were quite the same, were almost the same, or were at least related, and how these two procedures or processes could be done to see you could use both procedures to check if one was right or vice versa.
And we love each other. Thank you, Ciel.
Bye.